Hello everyone. If you want to display zero value as a dash in Excel without changing the actual data, here the quick trick. So here you can see data, product list, and here the sum product showing the zero cells. So first select the entire column and press the shortcut key Ctrl+1. And here in format cell in number tab, select the custom category. In type, remove this general word. Then type here hashtag, then comma, then double hashtag, zero, then semicolon, then dash, then again hashtag, then comma, then again double hashtag, then zero, semicolon, dash, and it's done. After that, click on OK, and here you can see the selected column, all zero display as a dash. Okay. And here the one bonus tip. First select the entire cells column and go to the home tab. Click on the condition of formatting. Then click on the highlight cells rules. Then click on the equal to and enter here 0. Then select the color here. Click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different color. So I select here green field with a dark green text and click on OK. Now you can see all dash here highlighted with the green color. And that's it. This is a way you can display zero as a dash in Excel and you can highlight with the conditional formatting. Hope you understood. If you like this, subscribe my channel. Thank you.